Here's our 92 GMC Sierra cold start video. Showing you under the hood here. We'll do a quick walk around. And then I'll hop inside and turn it on for you. I might as well show you the front too. There we go. Okay, all right, let's hop inside. All right. And then we'll do a quick interior shot for you. Very clean interior. Headliner's custom. Show you down here how clean everything is. Super clean truck. Armrest, because those always used to crack. Armrest is still in great shape. And custom door panels here. And then I'll just show you an outside video of it running. And then we'll real quick, I don't know if I showed you the bed before. All the way down the bed. And there's the exhaust. Sorry, I got the Snap-on guy driving behind me. There's the exhaust.